Use split screen. Open the first app on your device. In my case, I'm opening the Galaxy Store, for example. And now to use another app with split screen, all you have to need is just go to recent. Once you are in your recent, just tap on the app logo. Here tap on open in split screen view. And as you can see, the app is now open in split screen mode, just like so. And now to add our second app here, just tap on this select app section, go ahead and tap on the app. As you can see, I opened here my message app here. And now I can easily use two different apps at the same time using split screen view. And now to change your first screen app, just tap on this icon and here tap on this app icon. Now you can go ahead and simply change your app just like so. And to change your second screen app, again tap on this icon, tap on app. Now you can go ahead and select a different app just like so. You can also adjust your screen size. Just drag your screen just like so to change screen size. And now to exit of split screen, simply minimize. That's it.